What if the wounds you can't see are the ones hurting you the most? Emotional abuse doesn't leave physical scars, but it can shatter your confidence, self-worth, and peace of mind. Statistics show that over 43% of adults have experienced some form of emotional abuse in their lives. It's everywhere, but often it's silent. Today, we're going to uncover how to heal from emotional abuse. If you've ever felt controlled, belittled, or manipulated by someone close to you, this is for you. Emotional abuse is often hidden, insidious, and leaves deep, lasting scars. Unlike physical abuse, the wounds are invisible, making it harder to recognize and even harder to heal. Recognizing the signs of emotional abuse is crucial for breaking free from its grip and embarking on a path to healing and recovery. Identifying emotional abuse can be challenging, especially when it's disguised as love or concern. Abusers are often skilled manipulators, twisting situations to their advantage and making their victims question their own sanity. One common sign is constant criticism. Does your partner constantly belittle you, putting down your accomplishments and magnifying your flaws? This relentless negativity is a form of emotional abuse, designed to erode your self-esteem and make you dependent on their approval. Another red flag is control and isolation. Does your partner monitor your every move, dictating who you can see, where you can go, and what you can do? This controlling behavior is a way for abusers to maintain power and dominance in the relationship. Gaslighting is another insidious tactic used by emotional abusers. They might deny your reality, twist facts, and make you question your own memory and sanity. If you recognize any of these red flags in your relationship, it's crucial to reach out for help. Emotional abuse can have a profound and long-lasting impact on mental health. The constant barrage of negativity, manipulation, and control takes its toll, leaving deep scars that can affect every aspect of a person's life. One of the most common consequences is low self-esteem. Victims of emotional abuse are often made to feel worthless, inadequate, and unlovable. This constant erosion of their self-worth can lead to feelings of shame, guilt, and self-doubt. Anxiety and depression are also common among survivors of emotional abuse. The constant stress of living in a toxic environment, coupled with the emotional manipulation and control, can take a toll on their mental health. They may experience panic attacks, difficulty sleeping, loss of appetite, and a general sense of hopelessness. Emotional abuse can also lead to trust issues and difficulty forming healthy relationships. After experiencing betrayal and manipulation, it's natural to be wary of others. It's essential to remember that healing from emotional abuse is possible. Practical steps to recovery. Healing from emotional abuse is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, courage, and self-compassion to unravel the layers of pain and reclaim your sense of self. The first step is acknowledging the abuse. It's easy to minimize or deny emotional abuse, especially if it's been happening for a long time. However, recognizing the abuse for what it is crucial for breaking free from its grip. Start by educating yourself about emotional abuse, its signs, and its impact. This knowledge will empower you to validate your experiences and understand that you are not to blame. Next, seek professional help. A therapist specializing in trauma and abuse can provide you with the support and guidance you need to navigate the healing process. Setting boundaries is crucial for protecting yourself from further abuse. This might mean limiting contact with the abuser, asserting your needs and opinions, or walking away from the relationship altogether. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. Tracy, a successful professional in her late 30s, had endured years of subtle emotional abuse from her partner. It began with subtle put-downs disguised as jokes and escalated to controlling behavior, isolating her from friends and family. He'd constantly criticize her appearance, her work, and her choices, chipping away at her self-esteem. For years, Tracy doubted herself, blaming her own flaws for her partner's behavior. She felt trapped, her spirit slowly diminishing. One day, she confided in a trusted friend who recognized the signs of emotional abuse. With her friend's encouragement, Tracy began seeing a therapist. Therapy provided a safe space for Tracy to unravel the layers of pain and recognize the abuse for what it was. With her therapist's guidance, Tracy started setting boundaries with her partner. Eventually, Tracy made the difficult decision to end the relationship. Tracy's story is a testament to the human spirit's ability to heal and thrive even after enduring profound pain. Reclaiming your power. You are not alone. You are not alone in this journey. Countless others have endured the pain of emotional abuse and emerged stronger, braver, and more resilient. Your experiences do not define you. They shape you. You have the power to reclaim your life, find your voice, and create a future filled with joy, love, and authentic connections. One of the most empowering things you can do is to connect with others who understand. Support groups and online forums provide a safe space to share your story, learn from others' experiences, and find strength in knowing you are not alone. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can make a world of difference in your healing journey. Healing is not linear. There will be good days and bad days, moments of doubt and moments of incredible strength. Most importantly, believe in your own resilience. A brighter future awaits, embracing hope and healing. Healing from emotional abuse is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about reclaiming your voice, rediscovering your worth, and creating a life filled with joy, authenticity, and meaningful connections. While the road to recovery may be long and challenging, it's a journey worth taking. You are not defined by your past. Embrace the strength and resilience you've discovered through your experiences. Use your voice to advocate for yourself and others who have endured similar pain. Share your story, offer support, and help break the silence surrounding emotional abuse. The future is yours to create. Keep moving forward, one step at a time, and know that a brighter future awaits.